adverbs in Persian or Farsi language. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today I have started a new grammar lesson about adverbs, adverb group in Persian or Farsi language. I'm gonna explain you the different types of adverbs with examples, but there are many types, so if I want to introduce you all of them in a one video with examples, so it will be too long, and I decided to divide the adverb lesson at least in 3 parts. So if you want to learn more about this or learn more about Persian or Farsi language, make sure to subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal and follow the lessons. Okay, let's start the lesson. What is an adverb? The adverb or adverb group add explanation to the sentence or to a part of it. Adverb is not the main part of the sentence, and in most cases, removing it won't harm the sentence structure. Let's see in an example. دیروز مریم رفت. دیروز صبح مریم رفت. دیروز صبح مریم به مشهد رفت. دیروز صبح مریم با قطار به مشهد رفت. دیروز صبح مریم با قطار از تهران به مشهد رفت. All the parts that are marked with the red color are adverbs. And if we remove them from these sentences, the main meaning of the sentence won't change. The main message is that Maryam went and she's not here. It's not very important when and how she went. Now, let's see the different types of adverbs in Persian. I'm gonna give you 4 main different types of adverbs in this part. Okay, number 1, adverbs of time. These adverbs explain the time when an action takes place. So when you're talking about a time of doing something or doing a task, you will use the adverbs of time. The words such as shab, صبح, امروز, امشب, هر روز, دیروز, فردا, and blah blah blah. You know, because there are lots of words that can show a time of doing something. For example, علی شب به خانه آمد. علی شب به خانه آمد. In spoken Persian, we say علی شب به خونه اومد. Here, shab is the adverb of time because it shows that when Ali came home. Next example. دوشنبه صبح دانشگاه تعطیله. دوشنبه صبح دانشگاه تعطیله. I gave you more examples on my Patreon account and you can find the link. So if you want to support me more, you can join there. And I really, really appreciate your help. And you know, there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. Okay, let's move on. The second type is adverb of place. This adverb explains the place where an action takes place. Let's see some examples. اینجا اینجا آنجا آنجا In spoken Persian we say اونجا اونجا همه جا همه جا and عقب عقب پایین پایین and other words that show places. For example, it can be a place such as a city. Ali birun raft. Ali birun raft. Here, birun is the adverb of place because we're talking about a place that Ali went. اینجا خیلی شلوغه. اینجا خیلی شلوغه. اینجا خیلی شلوغه. I talk about اینجا here that is very crowded. The third type is adverbs of quantity. This adverb expresses the quantity and size of something. For example, کم، بیش، بسیار، خیلی. خیلی. خیلی is synonymous with بسیار, but خیلی usually used in spoken Persian. And کمی, everything that shows the size or quantity of something. They are adverbs of quantity. Let's see in examples. کمی سیب میخوام. کمی سیب میخوام. رضا پسر بسیار سخت کوشی است. Here I say the sentence in written Persian. If I want to say this sentence in spoken Persian, we usually say رضا پسر خیلی سخت کوشیه. رضا پسر خیلی سخت کوشیه. And the fourth type is adverbs of manner. This adverb explains the manner of doing an action. How I do something. For example, خوب, bad, زشت, زیبا, آهسته. And aheste usually used in formal Persian, synonymous with yavash. Yavash usually used in spoken Persian instead of aheste. Asan. And in spoken Persian, we pronounce it asun. And sakht, khandan, geryan, rafte, rafte. And blah blah blah. Everything that shows the manner of something. امتحان ریاضی رو به آسونی قبول شدم. امتحان ریاضی رو به آسونی قبول شدم. How I passed the exam easily. Or سهراب غروب آفتاب رو زیبا توصیف کرد. سهراب غروب آفتاب رو زیبا توصیف کرد. Okay guys, that was this part of the adverbs in Persian, and if you have any questions, ask me in comments. My recommendation is that make some sentences with these adverbs and write them in comments, and I will check all of them and give you feedback. So if you want to support me, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal and like a video. Also, I have launched my Patreon account, and if you want to support me more, you can visit it. You can find the link in the description. And I really appreciate your support. Well, see you in the next videos. Bus be kallatun. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.